Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will teach you how to install VibeVoice on your PC for free. Watch till the end to see how to start VibeVoice easily every time you want to use it. Refer to the video description below on the hyperlinks to perform each of the steps. Step 1. Let's navigate to this website. Looks complicated, but this guide is going to make it easier for you to understand. Step 2. When you are in the VibeVoice website, navigate a little down the news post and find this. Basically, it is an experimental prototype where you can get steps on how to install VibeVoice into your PC. Step 3 is about navigation to the installation page of VibeVoice. This website is very important, so keep this open until the end of step 20. There are a lot of codes which you need to manually copy into command prompt, so we will guide you step by step. Step 4 is where we install Git, which is required for VibeVoice. In a new browser, we need to install standalone installer Git for Windows x64. Setup step 5 is verifying that you have installed Git correctly. Check and verify. Press Window key, open up CMD prompt and type Git to verify installation is successful. You should see this. Step 6 is where we install NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit. Select your operating system, architecture, version, and installer type. Step 7 is a step for verifying if you have installed the NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit properly. Check and verify, press Window key, open up CMD prompt and type nvcc-version to verify installation is successful. You should see this. Step 8, we are almost there, just need to get Python installed from Microsoft Store if you do not have it already. Type Python in command prompt to see if you have it, if not install it. Step 9 is where we make a new folder and create a virtual environment for VibeVoice to run locally. Don't deviate from this, as making the wrong folder which you do not remember will cause you directory issues in the future. Step 10. Here we are, navigating into the virtual environment and activating it. Step 11. Here, we need to navigate back to VibeVoice browser to get the GitHub code. Step 12 is the real deal here, where we start to clone VibeVoice. Type the red text into your command prompt. Step 13 is to navigate back into the VibeVoice folder. Copy red text into command prompt. Step 14 is to get a PyTorch code from this website. Copy the code on your screen and run it in the command prompt. Step 15 requires you to install the PyTorch command into the command prompt. Wait patiently while it installs. Step 16 is optional, but good to install some build dependencies. Copy the red text into the command prompt and run it. Step 17 requires you to go back to the GitHub website to copy usage 1 codes as shown in the red text. Step 18 is just to verify that the application startup is successful and complete. You will see Uvicorn running. Do not copy the hyperlink shown. Go to step 19 next. Step 19 is pretty easy. Go back to your internet browser and type the red text as shown. Thank you for watching through this video. Here's a bonus tip as step 20. What happens if you close the command prompt? Everything will be lost as the virtual environments are isolated. You do not need to repeat the whole process again. Just use these commands whenever you need to use VibeVoice. Well, that's all for this video. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as your support motivates me to do better. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in our next video.